In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert a checkbox in Smartsheet. Whether you're managing a complex project or organizing a simple to-do list, adding checkboxes can enhance your workflow and help you track progress with ease. Let's walk through the process step by step. First, make sure you have your Smartsheet open and navigate to the exact sheet where you want to add those checkboxes. If you aren't already familiar with Smartsheet, it's a dynamic work management tool that allows you to organize and manage your projects efficiently. A checkbox in Smartsheet is a practical tool when you want to keep track of items that require a simple yes or no decision, like tasks that need to be completed or items to be reviewed. Now, once you're on your desired sheet, the next step involves adding a new column dedicated to your checkboxes. To do this, you'll need to position your cursor over any existing column header. A tip here is to decide carefully where you want your new column to sit, as it will determine if you need to choose the Insert Column Right option or Insert Column Left. Once you've decided, go ahead and right-click on the column header. This action will prompt a small menu to appear, giving you choices to either insert a new column to the right of your selected column or to the left. Choose whichever option fits your organizational needs best. Once you've inserted your new blank column, it's time to set the column type to checkbox. A dialog box titled Column Properties will typically appear after you've inserted the column. This dialog is crucial as it allows you to define the nature of your new column. And to do that, look for the Column Type drop-down menu within this dialog. Click on it, and a list of several types will appear. From this list, you'll want to select the checkbox option. These steps will transform your column into a series of handy checkboxes. Now, when you return to your sheet, you'll notice a column filled with checkboxes alongside your existing data. These can be easily checked or unchecked with a simple click, making them incredibly user-friendly and versatile for a variety of applications. And there you have it. Adding checkboxes within Smartsheet is a straightforward yet powerful feature that simplifies your data tracking and management processes. Used correctly, it can significantly enhance your efficiency and help ensure that all tasks, big or small, are accounted for in your project context. As you gain familiarity with Smartsheet's features, you'll unlock even more potential for streamlining your work processes. Explore and adapt these tools to fit your unique needs, and in no time, you'll be managing your projects like a pro. Keep practicing, and don't hesitate to make adjustments as you explore different possibilities. Thanks for joining me today, and I hope you found this guide helpful.